Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 17, 2023, Tuesday, option expiry for FinNifty. So first the level, then the power of technical analysis. FinNifty closed at 19,943.20, 0.65% up. BankNifty up 0.42%, closed at 44,409.50. Nifty closed 19,811.50, 0.4% up. So if you recollect, we will go into the what candles it formed and all those things, but first power of technical analysis. Yesterday, what is the level we said? 20th September opening. There was a gap created on 20th September and another one or 2 days later or the next day probably. So we said that is going to be a very tough task for FinNifty to cross. Hence, that will be a tough resistance, which was at 2191. FinNifty never went there. Bank on the lower side, we had said that the Bollinger lower band, which was at 19,394, that will act as a support because it opened a gap up. All the call option writers suffered today. So what happened? FinNifty, BankNifty, Nifty, everything opened a gap up. So which is why we had given such a high level. That's the power of technical analysis. While FinNifty never went there, it closed within the range that we had given, which is why it is essential to understand technical analysis. Not only that, once you fully understand technical analysis, the timing is also important. Why the timing is important? Suppose we had given this level of 20, whatever level. Straight away, suppose yesterday somebody would have played in the call option, then they would have been in trouble. Or yesterday the put option would have been in trouble. So many other things are there. So the timing, when to enter, that is also very essential. That again, the hourly chart is going to help one understand. Which is why technical analysis is the Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, whatever one likes to call, you can call it whatever way you want, but it is the ultimate, it is the base, it is like a tables basis which you can build your mathematics ability. So soundness in technical analysis is very important. So yet another day where we had given accurate analysis. So FinNifty, BankNifty, everything opened a gap up. While FinNifty and Nifty managed to stay above the Bollinger Middle band, BankNifty came below the Bollinger Middle band, but still it is above the exponential moving average, which is a good sign. So overall, Nifty, the type of candle it has formed, it looks more of a continuation pattern. Because Nifty is looking as a continuation pattern, probably it will pull along FinNifty and BankNifty along with that. But I am worried about Bank Nifty because the kind of candle it formed, solid red candle, and it closed below the Bollinger lower band. Tonight, if something happens in US and if the US market falls significantly, we will have some pullback. If that happens, then even Nifty, which I feel is a continuation pattern, looking at today's closure, if it closes below the exponential moving average, then the continuation pattern is gone. It is actually a reversal pattern, which confirmation will get in a day or two. Once again, FinNifty, Bank Nifty is below the weekly Bollinger Middle band, while Nifty is above it. So Nifty is looking for strong rally, but because Bank Nifty is pulling, how Nifty is going to go, I am really interested and puzzled to see how it is going to happen. As a technical analysis, I myself, because 37%, 25% weightage is in Bank Nifty, and if you add a FinNifty, around 37% weightage is in the of Nifty is in the financials. So how it is going to move up, I am curious to see. But anyway, that is for another day. But today, this is what it is. Now let's go into the individual levels. Banks, Indus and Bandhan fell 1%. Indus fell 1%, Bandhan fell 2%. HDFC Bank, IDFC, Kotak up 1%. Financials, Bajaj Twins, IDFC, LIC Housing, CNAM 1% up. L&T Finance 3% up. Insurance and cards, SBI cards up 1%. LIC, HDFC Life, ICICI General, SBI Life 1%, 2% up. Oil and Telecom, Bharti moved up by 1%, Reliance remained flat. LTTS on the IT, LTTS 1% down, Emphasis 3% down. AFL, SCL, Infi, LTAM, TechM 1% up. In the consumer goods, Trent 1% down. ABFRL, Berger, ITC, Nestle, PVR, Page 1% up. The automobiles, Titan 1% down, Bajaj Auto 1% up. Metals, National Aluminium 1% down, Coal India 2% up. Health and Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Metro 1% up. In the others category, L&T, Nykaa, UPL down 1%, Havells down 2%, Jubilant Food and Polycab 1% up, Delta Corp, IRCTC, Zomato 2% up. So with all these things, what do we expect for Bank Nifty expiry tomorrow? Bank Nifty is going to expire tomorrow, right? The September 21st high that it formed. So that is something which will act as a cushion, because the break gaps needs to be filled. Slowly but surely it has to go there and have a breakout. But it will take time. Hence, tomorrow that should act as a resistance, which is September 21st high, which is 45,276.80. On the lower side, again the Bollinger lower band, that will act as a very good support, which for FinNifty also yesterday we told. So today we are telling for Bank Nifty that will act as a good support, which is at 43,599. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.